So here's a rack that we were building before the tour. This is the front house one. So my desk on top with a little talkback speaker here. And then I've built this arm in there. It's got a light on. And then I can put my phone or GoPro in here for streaming. And in the actual rack, same as before, what's at the top, everything plugs in here. The laptop cable goes through. I've got a little charge cable to charge this and the light. My laptop lives in here. And everything else in the drawers. Little holder there for the headphones. And then the lids of the case go here as a little holder for the talkback mic. And my sheet for the cover. And this goes on the handle on the side from IKEA. Great find. Got my beer in there. And yeah, nothing on the back, just a lid for the desk covering all the mess of cables. So there's a wave server, and then the network switch, all the cables link round. This case just covers that mess up a little bit. And that's front of house world. And then this is a monitor rack. So this is Lewis's M32. His talkback mic. He's got a little headphone holder there. That lives on top. And then in the rack, some extra bits in here that you didn't see before. So there's a Cymatic, a wireless vocal, combiner, all the inner units. They're all routed in. And then we had to put the DL32s on the front of this rack. So it didn't quite fit in the back. It does mean that they have to be unplugged every day and plugged back in again. So Lewis does that. All 32 on each of them. So the top one is the monitor, DL32. The bottom one's front house. And everything's all labelled. Easy enough to plug in every day. And then on the back, if we can see in this darkness, got the aerials or the antennas for the wireless vocal, all the power supplies for everything, and then we rack mounted this router onto this panel just so that can live there and it's nice and safe. And that's just running the router for the iPad, for the desk, and for the Cymatic screen. And then underneath we've got the 32 channel split. So all the inputs from stage come into here, and then that splits off to the two DL32s on the other side. It's a bit of a mess inside there, but it's working. And then here's power supply for my DL32, the two Cat5 lines for both of them. And yeah, that's about it for the monitor rig. Everything plugs in, antennas there, another one over there.